Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start now by verifying the essentials: account level, region, and DLC. Once done, collect the 3 required items, token A, token B, and 500 currency, because missing one blocks progress. Next, travel to spawn point X and follow the shortcut along the 1/2 mile marker to save time. Make sure to equip the movement boost and hotspot beacon. These let you reach the objective window quickly. You should be moving by the time the first timer hits 60 seconds. Once you're at the objective, focus on the puzzle sequence. Blue, red, green panels must be triggered within 30 seconds to unlock the chamber. While panels cool down, approach NPC Y and trade token B. Use negotiation skill level 2 to avoid a penalty. Then carry the altar key to coordinates 12, 4, -7, 8 and activate the altar, making sure to stay in the sync radius until the animation completes. These combined steps open the... You now have the recipe and components. Combine Thread X3, Fluff X2, and Charm X1 at a crafting table to craft the Bing Bong Beanie. Once done, equip the beanie and perform the final ritual at dusk to attune it to your account. Timing matters for permanent unlock. If the beanie fails to register, relog and repeat the altar activation. This clears the common cache bug. After relogging, check inventory and perform the ritual again. That fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.